Good. Hello, my name is Vedant. I am a legal intern with Lexus and Company. Uh, like and share the videos of the channel and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Lexus and Company. There is a small disclaimer as per the guidelines of the Bar Council of India that this videos does not promote or advertise anything about the company, and the videos of this channel are only for educational purposes. So today's topic of the video is, does an anticipatory bail application is maintainable even after police has issued notice under section 41A of CRPC. So the Karnataka High Court answered this question. The Karnataka High Court has said that the apprehension of arrest always does exist even after issuance of notice of appearance under section 41 CR of CRPC, and under such circumstances court cannot evade an application for anticipatory bail under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. A single bench of Justice Shivanshkar Amaranavar, while allowing a petition filed by Ramappa at Ramesh seeking anticipatory bail, has said that a person gets apprehension of being arrested in two situations. Firstly, when a notice is issued to him under section 41A subclause 1 of the CRPC, and secondly, after complying with the terms of notice, the police officer forms an opinion that such person ought to be arrested, or in a situation such person fails to comply with the terms of the notice or is unwillingly to identify himself. In all the above three situations, such person can maintain an anticipatory bail application, as section 41A of CRPC does not stipulate the specific condition of notice of appearance. The facts of the case were: forest officials registered a case on 19th November 2020 for the offences punishable under section 80, 84, 86 and 87 of the 1990s of the Act 1963, Rule 144 and 45 of Karnataka Forest Rule 1969, and Section 379 IPC against unknown accused persons. During the course of investigation, the investigating officer has issued notice dated January 13 under section 41A of CRPC, calling upon the petitioner to appear before him for investigation. The petitioner has not appeared before the investigating officer in response to the notice, as he has apprehension that if he appears before the investigating officer, there is likelihood of him being arrested. He filed an application seeking bail, and the same came to be rejected by Additional District and Sessions Judge Bagalkot by order dated 29 April 2021. Therefore, the petitioner moved the High Court seeking anticipatory bail. So the petitioner's contention was the counsel for petition, by referring to clause of section 41A, contends that the police officer, if he is of the opinion that he ought to be arrested, has to record the reasons. He further pointed out that section 41A subclause 4, as the petitioner has failed to comply with the terms of notice, the investigating officer may arrest him for the offences mentioned in the notice if petitioner has not obtained any orders by the competent court. The prosecution opposed the plea. It was contended by the prosecution that as the arrest of a petitioner is not required under the provision of section 41 clause 1, the investigating officer issued notice under section 41A of CRPC, directing the petitioner to appear before him for inquiry. Therefore, there is no apprehension of arrest. The Sessions Court placed reliance on the decision in case of Jerry Paul versus State of Karnataka, which has rightly rejected the petition of the petitioner seeking anticipatory bail. Hence, the petition seeking anticipatory bail is not maintainable. The court said in its ruling that the insertion of section 41A of CRPC, it becomes clear that the legislature intended to make it compulsory for the police to record reasons for making an arrest as well as for not making an arrest in respect of cognizable offences for which maximum punishment is up to 7 years. Hence, Section 41 was amended and proviso to Section 41 was inserted, whereas Section 41A of CR was inserted, whereas Section 41A of CRPC was inserted to make it compulsory for the police to issue a notice in all such cases where arrest is not required to be made under Clause B of subsection 1 of the amended Section 41. It added the insertion of Section 41 CRPC pertaining to issuance of notice of appearance is in line with the right of life and liberty of the citizen and seeks to help to bring down the number of arrests, which in turn would decongest the crowded Indian jails. The court then went on to opine Section 41A of the code operates in a situation where there is no arrest and prescribes the course of action to be adopted by a police officer in case he decides not to arrest any person. Till the time any person is not arrested, he is entitled to maintain an application for grant of anticipatory bail, subject to, of course, the applicability of any other law to the contrary. So this was all about the case decided by the Karnataka High Court, where it held that a person can file for an anticipatory bail even if a police officer issued notice under Section 41A of the CRPC. Thank you. Do like and share the videos and subscribe to the YouTube channel of Lexis & Company.